Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we're diving into a captivating topic that resonates with every woodworking enthusiast: woodwork wonders, embracing the natural aesthetic. If you've ever been enchanted by the beauty of raw wood and its unique patterns, you're in the right place. Scene transitions to shots of different types of wood with varying grain patterns. So, what does it mean to embrace the natural aesthetic in woodworking? It's all about celebrating the inherent beauty of the wood itself. Each piece tells a story through its grain, knots, and color variations, and it's our job as woodworkers to highlight that story. Cut to the host in the workshop, surrounded by tools and wood pieces. Let's start with the foundation. When selecting wood, look for species that showcase beautiful, unique characteristics. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and cherry are popular choices because of their stunning color ranges and grain patterns. Show close-ups of different hardwoods being handled, but don't forget about softer woods like pine or cedar. These can provide a rustic charm that adds warmth to your projects. And remember, each type of wood responds differently to finishing techniques, so it's essential to know your material. Scene shifts to the process of sanding wood to accentuate grain. Once you have your wood, the real fun begins. Sanding is critical in achieving a smooth surface that brings out the grain. Start with a coarser grit and gradually move to finer grits. This process not only eliminates imperfections but also prepares the wood for finishing. Cut to applying natural oil finishes. Now, let's talk about finishes. To embrace the natural aesthetic, I recommend using natural oils like tung oil or linseed oil. These finishes enhance the wood's color and grain without masking its beauty. Show application methods with various oils. Simply apply the oil with a clean cloth, allowing it to penetrate for about 15 minutes before wiping off the excess. This technique enriches the wood and adds a protective layer, preserving its natural look. Transition to showcasing various completed projects that highlight natural aesthetics. Look at these wonderful projects. Each one tells a different story through the wood. A live edge table, for instance, embraces the natural outline of the wood, creating a stunning centerpiece for your home. The imperfections and uniqueness of each piece are what make it truly special. Cut to discussing joinery techniques. Next, let's talk about joinery. When constructing your pieces, consider using traditional joinery techniques, like dovetails and mortise and tenon joints. These methods not only provide strength but also add an element of craftsmanship that complements the natural aesthetic. Show some joinery techniques in action. Hand-cut dovetails, for example, are a beautiful feature in any woodworking project, showcasing your skill while accentuating the beauty of the wood. Scene shifts back to the host. Another vital aspect of embracing the natural aesthetic is understanding the environmental impact of your materials. Opt for sustainably sourced wood whenever possible. This not only helps the planet but also enhances the beauty of your work, knowing it comes from a responsible source. Transition to eco-friendly woodworking practices. You can also create projects using reclaimed wood. This wood often has a rich history and character that can't be replicated. Plus, it's an excellent way to give new life to old materials. Show examples of projects made with reclaimed wood. Take a look at these stunning items made from reclaimed wood. Each piece retains its unique history while being transformed into something beautiful and functional. Closing segment highlighting the journey of woodworking. As we wrap up today's exploration of woodwork wonders, remember that woodworking is not just about creating functional items, it's about connecting with nature and celebrating the beauty of the materials we use. From the initial selection of wood to the finishing touches, every step is an opportunity to embrace the natural aesthetic. Show a montage of finished projects and the beauty of the workshop. If today's video inspired you to start or enhance your woodworking journey, please give us a thumbs up. Share your thoughts or projects in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. And for more tips, tricks, and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio. Hit that bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Until next time, happy woodworking.